What's up, guys? I'm here to explore the wellness park, Gantok Municipal Corporation (GMC). This is the new park. Uh, I don't know, established maybe this year in 2024. So this is the wellness park we are about to explore. Inside it, I don't know what's inside. This is entry 2. I don't know where entry 1 is. Let's see the price of the tickets. Counter. Park rules. So, we are going in. We are going in. So here are some park rules. We've got 12 of those park rules. You may pause the video and read it. The park is open from 5 to 7 a.m. on motorized vehicle must always remain in the designated park areas, blah 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 blah. So here we are going inside. That's some trash being taken out of the park. Very nice. So I'm gonna show you some monks meditating here, disciples of Buddha maybe. So here we have a green grass, which is absolutely beautiful. And over there we have a butterfly and some graffiti, some paintings of Buddha and Nepali kids. Let's explore some more. Be with me, guys, till the end of the video. Okay. Wellness park. Here's the structure of the park. So we've come around like this, and I've parked my vehicle over here, right? And right now we are inside. I know where we are, but you are here. I'm right here. So have a look-see of the map of this wellness park. Very nice. It's a new park. It's a new park. Look at the paintings in the wall. Let's see what's outside this park. Nothing. So some solar panels are also installed. That's a very good initiative taken by the government. Very heavy exercise for children. See, the children are playing on their own. Parents don't have to worry inside this park. Let me tell you, no kidnappers inside this park, okay? So, I don't know if they painted this or just pasted its print to the wall, but it's beautiful handiwork. People are, look at those girls taking pictures. Look at me, I'm so beautiful. Look at me, I'm so pretty. Look at me doing this TikTok. Look at me doing this thing. But fuck you. I hate this. Gen Z generation. I don't know why I hate, but I just hate them. Not all, some. Some Gen Z kids are, very humble and, well cultured, but others, most of them are like, they are like, look at me kids. It's all about them and their little problems. If you scold them a little bit, they'll go to a deep depression. Don't even think about spanking them. If you spank them, they're gonna hang themselves by a tree. Get me a rope and find me a tree. Gangtok Wellness Park. Gangtok Forever Love. So that's a beautiful place to take pictures according to the sheeps. According to the sheeps. But the thing is, I don't follow the sheeps. I lead them. I do not follow them. So yeah, some fountains under construction, I guess, which isn't functionable right now, but it will be soon. So let me give you a full view of the park from the top. And here we have kids swinging, sliding, spinning, doing all the kids thing. So this is healthy. Come to Gangtok above new Sadar police station, and you can find this park. And the entry fees is quite reasonable. They charged us maybe 120 for 5 people, including a small one, which is who is a 2-year-old kid of mine, son, very very naughty, mischievous. It's hard to keep a track on him. And so this is what it's all about inside this park. Have a look, see. You may pause the video, to read the rules, to see those maps. And maybe see some people whom you may know. Right now I'm right here. You are here. Wellness Park site map. Admin block, grass lawn, children's park, washroom, blah 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 blah. Read this also about the chief minister announced the development and 2 acres in the heart of the town. So this park is about 2 acres. And here are some directions and where you should go: open air theatre, admin block, washrooms, children's park, koi pond, gazebo. Oh, I don't know what gazebo is. Even skateboard park is also here. Outdoor gym, grass lawn. Buddha Point is right over there. You see, at first I showed you some monks meditating around Buddha. I guess that's the Buddha Park. Right here is the skateboard place for skateboarders. You can, skate and break a leg over here. Break a bones, break a leg. In Australia, the phrase break a leg means to dance. But here, if you take it literally, you know what break a leg means. Right there is a skeleton doing a trick. So I don't see no skateboarders. I encourage the kids from Lal Market who skates on the rooftop to come here and practice their tricks over here. And please don't break your bones doing stupid tricks. Practice makes a man perfect. So I'm not gonna roam around much. I think I'm done with my video of shooting this park. So this is it. Right there is the Buddha Point, where 5 monks are around Buddha meditating, disciples of Buddha, like disciples of Jesus. 12 disciples of Buddha, 12 disciples of Jesus and 5 disciples of Buddha. Let me find my kids and my wife. So I'm in love, it's a beautiful day. I'm in love, it's a beautiful day. I don't care what the weatherman says. You know, if you have to pee or take a load off, the washroom is right over there. Huge, huge area for children to play. Before also I uploaded a video showing a park beside Palja Stadium, but this park is, you know, larger than Palja Stadium's park. It's 2 acres, almost 2 acres or even larger. It's 2 acres of land just for children's, for old people also, for adults, children and old people. This park is for them. Even people are saying, even, you know, the elders, old age people can come here and, you know, relax. Photo khidda na, meaning, don't you want to click a pic? No, I don't. So I don't want to click a pic for the world to see. Citizens above 13 years, please do not use the equipment in children park. Warning: if rules are not maintained, you will incur. I don't know what the equipment is, but I think they are talking about phones, or maybe I don't know what. I think they are talking about what equipments. I don't know what equipments they are talking about. Let me know in the comments below. Huge space. Hey, don't use these equipments. People who are above 13 are not allowed to, you know, slide around and you know, hang around in this things they build for children below 13 years of old age. So please, adults, do not use this. It's only meant for children. So I guess this is it. Bye bye. Have a look see. Well, look see. And I'm gonna bid you all goodbye. I'm gonna enjoy some fresh air now.